Grandpa, the goose is ready.
Yeah, today is great evening. We are having a goose tonight. Where are the children?
They're playing outside.
Call them here.
Children, come here. It's time to eat the goose.
We are coming.
Kids, we're having a goose.
Hooray! We are eating the goose.
Granny, divide the goose.
Grandpa, the goose is a big game. You are the hunter. Divide the goose.
Divide it yourself.
Divide it yourself.
Good evening.
Good evening, Bahalai.
Good evening.
Oh, here comes Bahalai, the painter.
Oh, the man that divides the goose. Balai, come and sit here.
Oh dear, how fat that goose is.
It is indeed. See, I've been walking in the forest and heard the geese quaking. I saw and thought that I saw that I killed a fat goose.
Wow, a nice shot.
A goose in spring is a game, indeed. Shall you divide it? Yeah, and old hunter after all.
Of course I shall. The head of the house gets the wing of the goose.
Yes, I like the head.
Legs and wings. For fast and helping boy. I get the goose's legs and goose's wings. The girl gets the belly, the heart and intestines.
I get this.
Grandma gets the back.
Yes.
And the rest goes to me for a mere visitor.
Agreed.
Our neighbor Bahalai divided the goose so well, didn't he?
Indeed, Bahalai, you did well. Everyone got a piece of the goose.
You are welcome to be a guest again.
Sure, I will.
So let's eat our fat goose.
I did well. Ha 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 ha.